We're here in Washington, D.C., down on the Washington Mall. And as you see behind us here is the Washington Monument. And it's early Sunday morning here. And we've got, right now it's a good mixture of snow and just every little bit of sleet in here. But for the most part, it's been snow so far. I'm sure as the system moves on, we're going to see some rain later today. But so far so good. We've got about 2 inches of snow on the ground right now, and probably with a little bit more accumulation, and so on. Visibility is quite low, as you can tell. If we point the camera in the other direction, would be the U.S. Capitol, and where Mike Seidel is right now, but you can't even see in that direction from where I am right here on the mall, between the Smithsonian Museum. Such, there's no visibility. So, quite an enduring day. We'll have to see how Washington deals with yet another snowstorm.